All right, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to OneClass. My name is Kevin, and I will be leading the session tonight. A little bit about me. I hold both a bachelor's degree and a master's degree in economics, and I also work on a day-to-day basis as an economist. Today, I'm just going to go through, I think, 11 economics questions with you guys. I don't think it's going to take the full hour today, but we'll see how it goes, I guess. Basically, what I'm going to be doing is reading the answers that our junior tutors came up with, and from there walking through the answers to show you how we got to them. So we can get started here. Let me just make sure this is working. First question reads as follows. Unit elastic pertains to which of the following in business? And the potential options are A, price and supply, B, price and quantity, C, supply and quantity, or D, only supply. And what our junior tutor has written is that the correct answer is B, price and quantity. Unit elastic or unitary elastic is a term that describes a situation in which a change in one variable, price, results in an equally proportional change in another variable, quantity demanded or supplied. And that is the correct answer. I'm just going to elaborate on it a little bit more. So if we remember, formula for elasticity of demand is going to equal the change in quantity demanded divided by the change in price. Here I use delta, which is little triangle, denote change. And essentially three different things can happen here. The elasticity of demand can be greater than 1. I should say that it's the absolute value of the elasticity of demand. The elasticity of demand should be equal to 1. Can be equal to 1, I should say. Or the elasticity of demand can be less than 1. When the elasticity of demand is greater than 1, we can say that the good is elastic. And we say that the good, when we say that the good is elastic, we're saying that when there's a change in price, consumers will be responsive in the amount of quantity they demand. So if there's a change in price, say prices go up a lot, consumers will demand a whole lot less of it. If the elasticity of demand is equal to 1, we can say that it's unit elastic or unitary elastic, as our junior tutor said. And what this means is that any change in price will be met with a proportional change in the quantity of demanded. Lastly, if the absolute value of the elasticity of demand is less than 1, we say that it's inelastic. This means that a large change in price doesn't much affect the quantity demanded. So examples of like inelastic goods would be like paying rent, everybody needs housing, or perhaps buying groceries, everybody needs to eat. And examples of goods that will have elastic demand are maybe things like video games, where they're luxuries, but you don't need them. I can try to graph these real quick, too. It doesn't really add much to it, but let me actually, I want to make sure I don't draw this wrong. Right, so when we've got elastic demand, we're going to have a relatively flat slope. Imagine this is Q and P. And we're going to have a pretty steep slope when we've got inelastic demand. and it wasn't pictured there, but I believe unit elastic demand would come at a perfectly 45-degree angle so that price and quantity move proportionally. So 45-degree unit elastic. Perfect. I'll give you a second to take a picture of that if you need. And I'll say that we can move on to question 2.